Okay, here's where it starts getting messy. Boring this hole. Okay, we'll get her. We're going to hog out quite a bit this shot. This cross side is a little wobbly, but it'll get her done. Well, you guys get the idea. I'm just hogging this out rough.